I'm Santina with WTI. If your man is looking for a new pair of black dress shoes, then you have got to check out these Florsheim Medfield cap toe Oxfords. So my husband wears a lot of dress clothes and he always needs a great pair of shoes to go with his outfits. And he loves these Florsheims. So one thing that we both think is great is these feel very solidly built. They feel like they're made from high quality material and they feel very durable, like they're going to last a long time. They're also stylish. They go really nicely with his suits and his dress clothes. And most importantly, he says they're very comfortable. We're always looking to make sure that they are going to be comfortable for those long haul days. And he says that these are extremely comfortable. So overall, he's really happy with them. I think they look great on him and I think they feel very durable, and we highly recommend these. And that's my point of view.